Welcome back. This is easy3dbiz.com giving the demonstration on powering up the new electrode we made with the magnesium ribbon. Quite simply, once again, I have the electrode right here, and I have the activated carbon. I just have activated carbon on the inside here, just surround it like a paste, copper pipe in the electrode. I'll go ahead and stick it on number 2 right here. You guys can see that. And let's go ahead and connect the leads up. I'll go ahead and show you watch the voltage climb as soon as I connect it. We've got about a volt, 1.2, climbing up to about 1.20 volts. A minimum of about 1.138. So now, what we're going to do, and by the way, there's nothing else connected here. This is all a single circuit. As you can see, everything's connected properly here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add the activated carbon on the inside right here. And with the activated carbon, we'll get a stronger signal. So I'll go ahead and move this here so you guys can see it. Right now we're at about 1.34 volts. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding the activated carbon. See if I can move this closer so you guys can watch the voltage climb as the activated carbon is put in. Let's see. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's fun watching the voltage climb as the activated carbon is put in. It's kind of exciting. There's already a bit of activated carbon on the inside of the copper pipe, but it does give a little bit more stability once I add more of it. But I'll just go ahead and start putting the activated carbon in. You guys can see that, but right now she's at 1.25, 1.26 volts. Now I have not added any, there we go, 1.331, still going up. Now usually I would add the sodium silicate at the very end along the electrode, but I haven't done that yet because I'm not ready to preserve it. The sodium silicate just seems to preserve the magnesium ribbon from deterioration. But it's fun watching the voltage climb as you add the activated carbon. Go ahead and stick this in here a little bit more, give it a little bit more vertical. Right now she's climbing up to 1.34, 35. And remember, this is activated carbon and sand, 50-50 ratio, or ratio 1:1. We'll go ahead and just tamp that down a little bit. Stuff is really soft. This activated carbon is not wet. Alright. I found that the activated carbon only raises it a little bit more if it's compared to the paste that's inside the copper pipe. If I have a layer of paste of activated carbon inside the copper pipe, it does raise it, but when you add a little bit more and fill the pipe up, it doesn't give that much more of a volt or boost. So quite simply, 1.31, and that's with the pipe filled with the activated carbon. So it holds out at about 1.30. Just make sure our leads are connected. It's nice and solid here. Yeah, so it holds out about 1.30. That's with the pipe filled with the activated carbon. So that's pretty steady voltage right there. All right, now Usually at the very end, we'll go ahead and get this out of the way right here. At the very end, when I'm ready to actually finish the project, what I'll do is this electrode right here is I'll coat it in sodium silicate. This is right here. This is 40% sodium silicate, and what it does is it preserves it. It seems to help it a little bit stay free from corrosion, because magnesium is a very soft metal, susceptible to corrosion. So what I'm going to show you in my next video is I'm going to put these up in series, and we'll do a voltage test on all these guys put in series. And I'm going to use about probably 3 or 4 of them. So go ahead and stand by, and once again, this is easy3dbiz.com. Thanking you for watching, and I wish you all a wonderful day. Thank you, bye.